Hey, welcome to CPR Savers product review. My name is Celine and today I'll be showing you our pocket-sized reusable CPR mask kit with adult and infant mask. In an emergency situation, the masks inside this kit ensure the rescuer is able to safely deliver rescue breaths while also being protected from any possibly infectious bodily fluids. Our 6-piece combo kit includes an adjustable adult CPR mouth barrier to fit onto the faces of children and adults, featuring a biological filter incorporated in the valve. In addition to this valve, the mask has a built-in oxygen intake tube. An infant CPR mask, 1 pair of exam quality gloves, 2 alcohol prep pads to disinfect the mask, instructions for both masks and how to use them, and a soft carry bag with a belt clip to latch it on for better portability. To view the CPR mask kit, visit our website at cpr-savers.com and type CPRACIM into the search bar to be brought to the product page, or call our customer service excellence team at 1-800-480-1277. Thanks for watching.